I'm at a different location. This is a different condo that's not the same one. I'm gonna be putting in another timer, and this time I want to get the timer over further to the right, but if I do that I can't use the extension bit I just showed you now, can I? Well, I went to the store and I've been anxious to try this out, and this is what I got. I got a Greenlee Quick Connect Flexible Installation Kit. And I call this a flexi bit. And this flexes a little bit, and it's got a nice long piece here. See how this flexes? You can fish it in the wall. The good thing I like about this, it's got some quick connects on here, and it comes with a little drill bit on the end, and you take this and you just push down on that and pop that in there. Now I can fish that through the wall, and I can get it over here further. Remember before, the stud was right here, and I was about, I don't know, 4.5 inches or so over to the cut-in box. Well, this time I'm going to put the cut-in box over further. And so I'm going to try this bit here, but if I don't get enough flex to it, see, because it's a shorter piece, it doesn't flex as much, but it still flexes a little bit. And I can fish that in there and drill through, because this stud here is right in over here. The next stud is right over here. So I've got a big cavity here. Okay? Now if I can't get enough flex, the beauty of this flexi bit system is it came with 2 long pieces. So if I want to go further, which in this case I don't, but I can hook that on there. And now I got it. Look how long this is. That's pretty long. If I was going from a light switch on up to a wall plate or something like that, I could do that, couldn't I? If I only needed a short piece, I could use this one here. If I needed a little bit longer piece, I could use this one and take the tip, pop it out of that one, pop it in this one. And in fact, you know, I might even use this to fish it in there, because this flexes a little bit more. Maybe I can get the drill way out here and fish it in there and flex it. Get it in there, drill the hole. And I'll be able to fish the wire through there from the cut-in box on over, kind of like I showed you from before. But, let's try to take this bit back off of here. There it goes. I've got something else here I wanted to show you. It comes with this grabber goodie at the end. And that, you take the bit out, pop this in like that in the end. And now if I wanted, just follow this here. Okay, first I have the drill bit. I've got the drill bit in there. I drill it through here, and if I can't fish the wire through there, I can push the bit all the way over to where I want, and then I can pop, and then I can reach in here, pop this off. And this is in the wall, okay? Then I can fish in there and pop this on. And this is already through the stud or through the fire block, whatever. And then I can fish, I can push this, and you just kind of push on here and it makes it bigger. See as it flexes the end? Then I can stick the wires in there, and then I can, you know, I can fish this out here, hook the wire onto that, and then I could pull this all the way through the stud and out through here. It's a really slick little setup. I think I'm going to like this. So that's what I wanted to show you. A flexi bit system. And I like these because they have little extension pieces. Before, I went to the store and I found one that was maybe a 5-foot long piece. But then it's harder to carry around. It didn't have the quick connects on here. So I'm going to now be able to get my cut-in box over here further, because as you remember, we're in the corner of a room. I've got a chair sitting here, and this way it'll be closer over this way so you don't have to move over as far. So I'm going to cut this in and see what we can come up with this flexi bit. Oh yeah, you're going to like this. Have I ever used a flexi bit before? No, I haven't. So I am gonna be checking this out on the first time. Just as you see it, I'm gonna be doing it. One way or another, we're gonna make this flexi bit work. I'm gonna have no choice once I cut this in, right? Once I cut this in and the stud's way over here, I'm not gonna be able to use the extension piece that I showed you previous. So, back to the project I go.